Hi everyone, in this video I want to talk about how to create a Linux VM using portal.azure.com and how we can connect everything we'll see in this video. Let's watch this video. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll create a Linux VM in portal.azure.com. So just go to a virtual machine and create a Linux virtual machine. So what we need to do here, first of all, we can create resource group. Otherwise, we'll create a resource group here also, as your wish, up to you. So I'm just creating the Linux virtual group and click on OK and just give the name of the VM name, which I'm giving Linux VM. And here the region which is near to me, which is like India, I'm selecting India. And also availability options, if you want you can select, and the security type I'm making like a standard. And here coming to image, so if you want to create a Linux VMs, we need to create an image like Ubuntu server. So the present version of Ubuntu server, which is like a 20.04, so which we have 18 also. If you want you can create. And if you want to create a Windows VMs, particularly Windows 10, you can select the Windows 10. So I have already explained in before videos how we can create a Windows VM, and how with different ways, like by using portal.azure.com and also like CLI and PowerShell, and how we can connect this Windows VM in different ways. Everything I'll explain in before videos. The link was available in description. 64-bit, and the size, I'm taking 8 GB of memory. If you want like 16, you can, up to you. This is all up to you. So I'm taking this 8 GB. And here authentication type will be like two types, which is SSH public key as well as the password. What is the difference between two is SSH means secured shell. So by using that key, we'll connect this Linux virtual machine. And also by using password also we can connect the Linux virtual machine. I'll show both the ways. So what is means, this key will generate that, and by using this key we'll connect the Linux virtual machine. And username I'm making as a Azure user, I'm not changing that. If you want to change like Haripriya Manne also, you can change that. Just I'm giving the user which is like Haripriya Manne. So and the Linux key, so by using this only the key will be generated. And just click on review and create. Ask to download the SSH keys, and by using that SSH keys only we are able to connect. And just click on create and download private key and create the resources. And this key was successfully created. And just go to Windows Linux VM key. So by using this path only we are able to connect. So make sure that, just remember that path. And yeah, it will take 2 to 3 minutes the deployment. And just go here and just refresh. So we have a command which is SSH hyphen I means which is install. So the key path you need to give, the where it is the path is located, and the name of the user, so I have given which is like Haripriya Manne. So anyway I'll keep this command in description, no need to worry. And the IP address we need to give here. So actually my IP address here, when you created the VM, in that time only the IP address will be created. Here you can see the public IP address, so you can copy this IP address. So just paste in your notepad this IP address. Here remove this old one. So just give your IP address and the name of the VM which you have created. Otherwise just click on connect, and you can see the SSH. Generally these Linux VMs you can connect by using SSH or password only. So we are not able to connect RDB, so which is remote desktop. So RDB we can connect only Windows VMs. We are not able to connect the Linux VMs. If you click on download this RDB file also, so if you click on open, if you are trying to connect, it will say some error which is not able to connect, because Linux VMs we are not able to connect by using this RDB. Yeah, you can see that RDB we are not able to connect Linux VMs. And just copy here. You can see the path, the tilt symbol as well as the downloads and the Linux VM key and this one. Just copy this entire key here. So and just copy. So just Control A, Control C, and go to if your laptop have like command prompt, or otherwise Azure CLI or PowerShell, so anything you can. So I'm using PowerShell in a different mode, I want to do that. So just copy paste that command and click on enter. So it will ask that yes, so click on yes and yes. So here the Linux VM was successfully we have connected. You can see here. So haripriyamannetech@Linux VM. So this is the way to create a Linux VM. This is the way to connect the Linux VM. And here you need to do Linux, the commands we all of us know, right? So general commands I'm doing mkdir hari. So that means mkdir is folder creating in Linux, which is hari folder I'm creating. So if you want to go to that folder, cd space hari, right? So this is small commands I'm using what I have know, and you have different, right? Cat command and copy command. We have a lot of things you can do in Linux, right? So this is the way to do that Linux here. So this is the way to connect the Linux. I think exit, right? So log out. So I have logged out, which is exit command to log out the connection. So again, if you want to connect the same thing, which is this command SSH, and same thing I have again logged in. So I have connected that, and I'll go to my Hari folder what I have created already, right? So just I'll exit. I know this much command, so if you are aware more commands you can use, so it's up to you. So this is simple way to create a Linux VM and to connect by using SSH. Now I'll use password also. So what I'll do is just I'll close everything. So here just go to virtual machines and create a new virtual machines. Fastly I'll create the new virtual machine by using the password. So I'll create a I'll use the same resource group, which is Linux resource group I'm not creating. So this time I'll create a password Linux, the name of the VM I want to give, the difference between both. Here I'll create yes, of course, Central India. So here I'll give the password. Here you need to give the username. I give the Priya. In this time I'll give Haripriya, and the password I want to give something which is Haripriya@12345, and confirm the password. And in this time there is no required any SSH or anything, just click on create. So after this what we'll do is we'll connect this VM through password. So we already connected through SSH, right? We have downloaded and we have given the path. By using that path we have connected the virtual machine in by using PowerShell. Of course you can use CMD also, which is nothing but command prompt, and you can give the same command and you can connect the VM also. Here you can see the command prompt. So this is the command prompt I have connected, and same I have already created Hari folder, right? So this is the way. So I think that VM was I'm disconnecting, which is like exit. So yeah, my VM was exit. So here it was deployed successfully, and just go to virtual machines, password Linux, and just command which is ssh-install and password, and just open the CMD. We already connected PowerShell, right? So let's use the CMD and just paste this one, and we'll ask the password. So what the password you have given, so give that password and it will connect this VM. And you can see that our VM was successfully connected. Here you can see our VM which is created successfully connected. And here also we can create the mkdir, a new one which is just file folder. So just go to that file folder and create number of files and do lot of things what you want. So just click on exit. So this is simple way to create a Linux VM and to connect by using SSH as well as by using password. So anyway, I'll keep this command in description. Just go and try to create a Linux VM and connect by using password as well as the SSH. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Just hit that subscribe button. You are going to learn many things in this channel. You want to be certified in Azure? Then AZ900 exam, fundamentals in Azure. So how to schedule this exam for free of cost? You'll get a free voucher. What is the process and syllabus, materials, everything I made a video. The link was available in description, and also it's scrolling left, and just click that and know how to do that. Thank you for watching this video.